when I can, when I remember. Sometimes I neglect my self-care. I have hair on my chin because I'm not gonna be plucking my chin every other day. Like,
just how I'm living. Money and pretty women, hotness and fitness. That's all I'm kidding. That's just how I'm living.
life can get busy, but taking care of yourself should never be on the back burner. If it has been, that's okay, because I'm sharing my go-to self-care routines, all things skincare, shower, oral hygiene, all of my tips for staying fresh and clean and feeling confident. I'll be sharing with you some of my current favorite go-to products to stay glowing and grounded, no matter how hectic life may get. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny and I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I don't know about y'all, but I love a good morning shower. Like, it just really sets the tone for the entire day. But to really make sure that you lock in everything that you've done in the shower so that you can carry it with you throughout your entire day, that's when your post-shower body care routine comes in handy. You all know how much I love ᶫᵒ, which is why I'm super excited to partner with them on today's video. If you've never heard of ᶫᵒ, it was invented by OBGYN Shannon Klinkman. ᶫᵒ is clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling BO for 72 hours. This is the acidified body wash I used in the shower. This one is in the scent Clean Tangerine. Y'all, I love this right here. One of the claims is that it removes odor better than soap. This keeps you fresh and clean. Try it with the exfoliation gloves and thank me later. This is the spray, and it does dry down clear. We love that. Some of my favorite places to apply the ᶫᵒ deodorants are to the intimate areas, underneath the arms, underneath the boobs, to the inner thighs, especially if I'm wearing my shapewear, the crease area of the butt, just to stop any odor before it even starts. Toasted coconut, you don't have to worry about it staining my clothes. It comes in 8 different scents and it's transparent, so you'll be good to go. The acidified deodorant wipes, cool cucumber, inside of my little spend a night bag. Freshen up on the go, underneath the arms, intimate areas. Most important for me is just the confidence that I feel using the ᶫᵒ products. Not having to feel like, is that me? Great at stocking stuffers, last minute gifts if you're a procrastinator like myself. ᶫᵒ's holiday bundles are up to 40% off. For my followers, ᶫᵒ is offering an extra $5 off plus free US shipping on orders over $30. Order in the link in my description box. Use code DESTINY5 at checkout. Thanks to ᶫᵒ for sponsoring today's video. So I start off just by brushing with my Colgate Triple Action toothpaste. And then the mouthwash that I'm using, Crest Advantage mouthwash. Cheers. I either use this tongue scraper from Dollar Tree, and then if I'm not using that, I use my Grand tongue cleaner. So these basically work the same way. Only thing, I have to like sanitize this one, but these are basically disposable. So you get 32 of these in here. If you're only using it once a day, you can get a full month out of this. I'm gonna put on my little wristlets right here. These basically just keep the water from running down. Face wash that I've been using, the only two I'm bouncing back and forth in between right now. Oldie but a goodie. If you're not new here, you've been seeing me use this for years. This is the Ambi Even and Clear Cocoa Butter Facial Cleanser. So it has sweet potato complex, vitamin A, coconut oil. It's for dry and combination skin, and I take 2 pumps of this. But ever since I picked this up from Dollar Tree, I have been grabbing it just a little bit more. I feel like I would need to do more than one skincare routine, because sometimes I grab this, sometimes I grab that. Only thing, I bought one without the cap on it, so I just have to undo mine. And this is the tea tree oil plus salicylic acid balancing face wash. I just pour some of it into my hand, wet my face, and wash my face to make sure that I cleanse my face morning and night. And whatever I do to my face, I also do to my neck. I just kind of really massage this in. So after that, I always go in with my Ambi Even and Clear Pore Minimizing Toner. It restores the pH. It has apple cider vinegar and vitamin C. And I mix this all over my face. But I wipe up and out with a cotton pad. If you're not into spraying this all over your face, put it on your cotton pad. I'm trying to use my fade cream to fade this away. I get hair on my chin, y'all. And I know that it's hormonal, but it's like what I'm supposed to do to make it not hormonal, to make my hormones balanced in whatever way that they not balanced, so I only have hair on my chin, because I'm not gonna be plucking my chin every other day. Like, okay, sorry for the rant. Yeah, we had such an amazing time in Nashville. I think this is my first video since being in Nashville, and it was such a good time. just a quick little trip Halloween weekend. So after that, I usually go in with my Clarins. They send me this in PR. This is like a little serum, anti-aging. It's, whoa, 2 pumps. That's why I use this and I really like it. I just kind of put it in my hands and work it in. I want to really make sure that if I'm not doing anything else, that I make sure I make time for myself each morning. Getting up early, because holidays get busy. Like the holiday, it's basically holiday season right now. So it's just kind of giving like, I don't even want to feel like I gotta not make time for myself in some way, shape or form. This is the Kiehl's facial cream right here. I'm slapping it on so crazy trying to talk to y'all. But yeah, I just want to make sure that I'm still doing something to pour back into myself while the holiday season is approaching us, because Vlogmas is about to be crazy. I am going to do it with a little twist on it, so stay tuned for that. Making sure that I spend time with myself in the shower, making sure that I take time for my skincare, my beauty, my getting good amount of sleep when I can. During the daytime, I love to make sure that I'm going in with a SPF on top. So I've been using this one still, Cetaphil. #1 dermatologist recommended. It's got the SPF of 35. It's applied like 2 pumps, sometimes 3. Sometimes I feel like we can wake up and just kind of make it our business to just get the day finished, hurry up and get this done, get that done, the things that are required of us. I always put the products on my hand as well. Anti-aging, baby, like, because you can see aging in the neck, face, and hands first. So everything that happens to my face happens to my hand. And yeah, I just want to make sure that I'm going to practice just little things. Even if it's like journaling, or journaling really helps me. It just feels good. I don't know like the benefits, but I like to roll it on my face. Even if I start my day, and when I start my day in the Bible app, when I start my day, and I didn't do it this morning, I need to make sure I do it. Journaling my thoughts out, the thing that is like in my head. I don't want to say this to nobody, but I need to like just let it out with myself at least. Just a brain dump. Even if it's planning out some content, you know, clear my mind. This right here, if you don't get anything else that I'm doing skincare wise, consider the Ambi facial cleanser. Definitely consider this one if you see it at Dollar Tree. It's only $1.25. Like if your face and your skincare routine $1.25, pick that up. And then I love to, especially in the cooler season, just apply this on top. Even if I'm doing makeup. If you got oily skin, don't do this when you're doing your makeup. But if you don't have a problem with that, I love locking everything in with this. This is the Chalmers Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil for the face. It also has vitamin E. Don't roll it like this. Roll it better than me. I just do what feels good. Are y'all looking forward to the holiday season? Are you excited about it? Like, comment down below, let me know what your most favorite part is, and let me know something that you probably don't really look forward to when it comes to the holidays. So I have 2 different eye masks right here. I'm definitely going to be wearing eye mask as we approach the holiday season, because if I have to stay up editing all night and I don't want y'all to see bags under my eyes, and I want y'all to think that Destiny getting all the sleep that she can get even on the days when I'm not, I'm gonna be wearing some eye masks. So they have lots of different ones. This one has retinol. Since it's daytime, I'm not gonna do this one, but I got this one recently. I want to say from Walmart, I think. Firming and Moisturizing Collagen Hydrogel Eye Patch. I don't wear eye patches all the time, but I need to start. It's pink too. It's my favorite color. Maybe put these on before you do your skincare routine. When I start running my mouth talking to y'all, I do things out of order. Stop. Quit playing. Stay with me. Cause y'all been staring at my lace showing right there. All I knew. Just take a little cotton pad and wipe the oil off, and it'll stick better. Yeah, this is my favorite night balm. I got this at Bath and Body Works, but I don't care if it's daytime or nighttime. I literally love this, and I like to just put it on. I make it my business when I can, when I remember to take my multivitamin. So this is the multivitamin for her. Basically 1 a day. I haven't had my breakfast yet, but I am about to eat my breakfast right after this. lotion combo that I currently love. I'm good for a lotion combo. Y'all don't stop embarrassing me on camera. Day to day, the one that I've been using and loving is the Vaseline Radiant Deep Nourishment. This right here, I love this. That's the before. And obviously you put this on head to toe, but I'm only gonna show my arms and legs on YouTube. And I really like this. It smells good too. And if you really want to get fancy, let me quit playing. If you really want to get fancy, you need to put oil on top every time. Thank me later. I'll make sure your dress real silky, tread lightly. When it's like cooler outside, I feel like this locks in the moisture. And look at the glow. Like you can't deny the glow. And then if you want to make sure that your breath is really fresh and clean, I have these little fresh breath mints. So they're like little stick-on melts. You get like 40 of these. They're sugar-free, gluten-free, easy to use on the go, all the things. So pop one out. You stick it to the side of the mouth, just like that. And then this other side is like brown to where it like sticks. And you just put it on the bottom part down here. Y'all ain't gonna have to see it. It's like way down, but it just sits right here. If you just really want to have like fresh breath that y'all could kind of better see. Y'all, come on. I'm gonna leave these on while I kind of have my breakfast and get my day started. I don't want to overwhelm y'all with a whole bunch of products because sometimes I don't do a lot. I come in here, wash my face, brush my teeth, take my shower, start my day. But just making sure that I have those silent moments, like if I wasn't filming, I would just kind of be quiet, play some soft music, and kind of focus on just myself for the day, for the morning at least, or at night, whichever your lifestyle fits better. Keeps me grounded when I can, just to have my moment of escape from the busy holiday season, pouring into everyone else. We're about to be running around shopping, putting up trees, doing all the things for you all coming up next month. Making sure that you do something to kind of pause and give back to yourself, even if just for about 15 minutes. You'll be surprised at what that will do. Sometimes I neglect my self-care. I want to get my nails done too. I want to get a pedicure. I've started getting back into my bubble baths, all of that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. That's my quick little routine in the morning. It's not always like long all the time. It's not always a slow morning routine. We do what we gotta do. And this makes me feel better, ready to start my day. I'll try to find some music that gives you an example of the kind of music I listen to. My playlist is kind of all over the place. I think about sharing it with y'all sometimes, and then sometimes like, oh no. Talk to you all later. If you all didn't check out the Nashville vlog, definitely be sure to check it out. I need to take 2 more trips to fulfill my 7 for the year, and I have nothing in mind. Like, I wanted our family to do something for Thanksgiving. It's probably not too late, but probably maybe because it's like next week. I'm a community kind of girl, so I haven't really figured out like what I do. Just 2 solo trips towards the end of the year. I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, because just being completely transparent with you all, the few times that I have done it, I thoroughly enjoy my own company. Get holiday time wouldn't be the time where I would do a solo trip. Like, I would want to be in a group. Like, imagine me waking up on Christmas and it's just me, and I purposely removed myself from everybody to just get 2 more trips out the way. I couldn't do that. I'm trying to be mindful of other people's feelings. Like, if some of y'all feel the same way too, I don't want to further trigger that in you. I want to do my 2 trips, but how, when, where, I don't know. It wouldn't even have to be long, like 2 or 3 days. But I'm not gonna force it. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna go. Girl chat coming soon. I be dodging the girl chat. I gotta mentally be prepared for a girl chat because I feel like I'm an empath. And so the things that we talk about, even after I'm done filming, while I'm editing, 2-3 days later, they're on my mind. And this girl is going through this. Like, specific people who may leave their comments and stuff like that. And so I have to, for my own mental sanity sometimes, make sure that I don't let it overwhelm me. So I have to space them out. But I do have things myself that I want to catch up with y'all on too. So girl chat coming soon. This is therapy for me sometimes. Just having my camera on, talking the way that I do, it calms me. It relaxes me. My skincare, my self-care, my oral hygiene, all of that. So whatever brings you your comfort and your peace, just bringing you back to you during the holiday season, make sure that you make time to incorporate that. And a lot of times for me, it's just a shower and some skincare. Everything that's linkable, I'll link down down below. Again, special thank you to ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ for sponsoring today's video. Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next upload. Bye.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty